Let's begin with number 3 for questions that you have on your homework. I know that 5/4 is the biggest of those fractions, so I know that's going to be my C value. And some of you may have converted to decimals, which is fine. I am not going to convert to decimals. I am going to keep it all in fraction form. But if you did, you should end up with basically the same information, the same values. So I know the fraction 1/4 is the same as 4/16. My calculator can help me with that as well. So now I have like denominators and I can add my numerators. So 13/16 is the value here. 25/16 is the value there. So no, that is not a right triangle. Okay? If you converted to decimals and used your calculator, that's fine. Don't be afraid of fractions though, they're really not bad. I promise. Number 5. I would have gone to my handy dandy calculator and figured out that this is my C value because it is the largest. We looked at a couple of these in our notes on Friday. Our calculators will be very helpful. Just remember the parentheses that you need. Yes?
Will the squared cross out with the...
Yes. Squaring this square root just cancels each of them out. So this is a just 3. And we discussed that on Friday. Same kind of thing is going to happen over here with number 5, or sorry, with the 2 square roots of 3, but we have to think with our brain. The 2 is going to get squared, and then the square root of 3 is going to get squared, and then they will be multiplied. So it's a yes, yeah? 12 equals 12, yes. Okay, yes.
When 2/6, will you tell us how many yeses and nos are actually?
Yes, I will. Number 6, I'm going to treat the same way that I did number 3. Again, your calculator could have helped you, especially if you converted to decimals. So this is a 9/64. That's a 1/4. To 25/64. I need to make my 1/4 into 64ths. So, does anybody know 4 times what makes 64? 16, good. So this is going to become a 16 over 64. And when I add these together, I get a 25/64 equals a 25/64. So this is a yes as well. So in this 1 through 6, it's split right down the middle. 3 yeses and 3 nos. Okay? Good. Let's go to the back. Question number 10. I'm not surprised that you have a little bit of questions here. We're supposed to use Pythagorean theorem and determine the side lengths. This, yes, yeah, we're going to have to double distributive property, both on the x plus 2 and the x plus 4 thing. Then we have to combine like terms, factor it, and key it out. Then we're still not done because the problem says, what values of x? Oh wait, yes we are done. It doesn't ask to find the side lengths. Never mind, I'm wrong. If it said find the side lengths, then we would have to actually find some values there. Remember that this double distributive property really means this. And then we combine like terms. That stuff's not going away if you hadn't noticed. It's the second or third time we've seen a double distributive property lately. Now I'm going to move all of my green to the other side. I'm going to do it all in one step. You certainly could take more than one step to do that. The reason I did that is I needed that side to be equal to 0. I need to have that equal to 0 so then I can factor later. So, getting rid of some things, the x squareds here will cancel out, so I just have an x squared. 4 take away 8. 4 take away 16. Check my math, make sure I did okay. Thank you. And we're going to 2 sets of parentheses. We need multiples of 6 that will add or subtract to make a 4. 6 and 2 are good. We need our signs to be different to get the negative 12, and we need more negatives. Well said.
And then, but when you get x equals -2, that converts, right?
Correct. Yep. The -2 is gone because we can't have the side of a triangle be a negative measure. Nice work.